This is In the Garden car with Lauren and April. I have behind me in a box 10 7-month-old laying hens, and I'm heading home, and April has the coop already, or will by the time we get home. And that's all I'm gonna say, because I set this up before, I started driving, and I pushed start, but I also want to be responsible, which is why I'm not looking at the video. I'm looking at the horizon. There's a lot of cars, but drive safe, everyone. I think a rock just hit my windshield, that, or one of the chickens is aggressively pecking its way out of the box. I don't think so, though. Okay, that's all. We'll see you after the commercial break. Haha, we don't have commercials. I mean, it's YouTube, there might be some. So, yeah, bye. Hi, Lauren. Hey, April, you want to see a magic trick? Yeah, 10 chickens in this box. We didn't do this, right? No. We would have put them in more boxes. Let's open.
Close the gate, right?
I don't remember closing it.
Let's make sure the gate is closed.
Should we close the garage door?
Probably.
That's fine. They can roost in there if they need to.
Oh, we left it open.
Yeah. Bad farming habits.
Don't want the chickens to go running off in the neighborhood.
All right. These extension cords are because we cleaned out our coop with vinegar and we're drying it. So there's...
Lauren, did you already give the spiel of what's going on?
No. I didn't talk about our elderly hens.
So now you've left it to me to break the sad news to everybody that we
found a retirement
home for our elderly chickens.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's what happened, folks. It's fine.
This time
they moved on. We got replacements.
We didn't retire them ourselves, but we found some folks who will make good use of them. Eat some soup.
Yeah.
It's part of the farming life.
Part of the farming life. And now we have some youngins to move in.
They're 7 months old.
And there's 10 of them.
10. So let's do this.
Let's open it up.
They are going nuts in there. Oh boy. Oh, April. It's so sad. They're so crowded.
Chickies.
Our chickies.
Here they are.
We're just gonna split open the edge so that they can, walk out. Use your strength, April.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, well they can fly, so guess we're good.
Come on, chickies, get out! Out here!
Agnes notices them.
Come on, get out.
Yeah, go ahead. Give them some time.
It's your new home.
Oh, they're a little shy, but they just had to travel in the back of my car.
Welcome to the farm.
Some shy ones left in here. Looks like we actually got 10.
Yep.
This one's eating cardboard. Seems not great. Oh! One of our chickens just flew onto the neighbor's fence in a large feet. I think we put the rest of them in the coop. Here.
I didn't know they could fly that much.
Yeah.
Did they say anything about that?
No, some people can clip their chickens' wings.
Lure them with some feed.
I'm going to.
We'll see if that one tries to come back. It's just on the fence.
Here, April. This way. We'll gradually. See, these are farm chickens. They're stronger and faster.
It's still just on the fence over there.
Yeah.
I wonder if we should go get it. Yeah. I'm not filming. I'm herding the chickens. It's actually working. Go on. Yep, go on. Find the food. You don't scatter that much food over. Here, take this. Okay. April, give us an update. Oh, one of our chickens flew across like 2 yards over, and it was stuck on the top of this fence on the other side, but now it's been slowly making its way around. It's up on this tall bit right now.
Yeah.
Can you zoom into it, Lauren?
I can, it's very blurry, but people get the gist.
Anyway, except that there's foliage here, so I don't know if the chicken will be able to get all the way around to us, but I think that it's trying to get back to
It's flock.
its flock, which are happily in here having some food. Hi, chickie! So, yeah, we'll see. Chickens walking the tightrope.
What if it climbs into that tree, April?
That would be terrible.
Alright, well, we'll give you another update soon.
Okay, so the chicken had walked halfway kind of over, and then after a while it flew back across the yard and got on the top of the coop, and then it was up there for a while, and Lauren got up there and got it to jump down, but on the back fence, and so then she ushered it through underneath the fence, and now it's at the end of the coop, and it really wants to go in with all the other chickens, but it can't figure out where the door is. So I think I'll try a little trail of feed.
Making this other chicken real jealous.
Have to treat chickens with patience and care, tenderness.
Our last 3 chickens were very, very tame.
Yeah, they were chill old ladies. These chickens are rascally youngins. I think they're enjoying their new home, though.
Yeah, they seem to be. It's fun to see them scratch around so actively.
Yeah. Agnes is very upset to not be part of this.
So, April, it's starting to get dark,
Yeah.
so we're gonna have to put bedding in the inside. I think we won't do it in the laying boxes because they probably won't lay tonight, and those are still drying out. We can do
Do
it.
it in the roost.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I think that'll be fine. I think this chicken will come out eventually. So we'll give you another update soon.
Sure, yes, let's do the bedding.